Welcome to Oakridge Ford. My name is Thomas. Today we are talking about offers available for you this December. Oakridge Ford is one of the top Ford dealerships in London, Ontario, with many best-selling vehicles from Ford and other brands. We offer an extensive lineup of the latest and the most affordable cars, guaranteeing that you will find a car suited for all your needs. These are your offers for the month of December. At Oakridge Ford, we strive to provide an experience that goes above and beyond. We prioritize customer satisfaction. Our team of professional, experienced sales staff is committed to delivering a world-class customer experience. We want to provide our customers with the best possible deals. So this December, we have some fantastic offers available. To inquire about these incredible and limited time offers, contact us at 844-460-3742 or visit us at our website at www.oakridgeford.com. Thank you for watching.